Hi guys. Okay, so I am sitting outside today. Looks so nice. I even like put on some makeup for you guys today. I know it's like I just couldn't help it. It's just a beautiful day. It's a little windy, so hopefully I don't blow away. But I'm going to take a minute and go over the science project that is due on Friday, May 1st. So don't be shocked. Yes, you've known about it for 2 weeks now, okay, because I assigned it 2 weeks ago. So you'll notice today under Tuesday, April 28th, this right here, you're going to click on the final project. Again, yours says view assignment, mine says edit assignment. I'm just going to go and click on this PDF so we can look at it together. Okay, let's see here. I'm going to make myself a little bit smaller. And maybe I'll move myself over here out of the way. Here we go. Oh, look at that. I can go way up here. Ooh, I like that. Ooh, now I'm really watching you. Just joking. Okay, then I'm going to leave myself up there. So notice that the original document was posted 2 weeks ago on, I believe it was the 20th. Oh, wait, no, 14th. It says it right there. I'm pointing at it like you can see what I'm pointing at right there. Okay. So I signed it 2 weeks ago on the 14th. Today's the 28th. So it's been exactly 2 weeks. So the only thing I'm changing, everything I changed, I highlighted. So I reposted this document because I updated some things. So it's due this Friday, May 21st. You will not have 3 weeks on your calendar. You will have 2.5 weeks. Okay. Because today makes 2 weeks. You'll observe the moon tonight, Wednesday night, and Thursday night. So it's, you can only do three, you can't do 3.5 days. Half a week is 3.5 days, but whatever. So it's pretty close to 2.5 weeks. Okay, so again, you should have, when I see the dates on your calendar, you should have April 14th through April 30th, okay, on your calendar. And when I mean calendar, I mean this. Okay, so your first date here should be April 14th. Okay, and you should have gone through all of that week, the next week, and now you're on your third week. You're just only going to get up through Thursday night on this week. Okay, well, you would have started here on Tuesday night. Sorry, you would have started here on the 14th because it was a Tuesday night that I assigned it. So you won't have anything for that Monday, which is fine. So this is 1 week, 2 weeks. This should be the 28th right here. And then you'll finish up through Thursday. You'll do tonight, the 28th, tomorrow night, Wednesday, the 29th, and then Thursday, the 30th. And then obviously you'll turn it in Friday. So you don't need to do Friday. Okay. So again, I updated this. It's due May 1st. It's just 2.5 weeks. Write the date. Shade the circle when you're shading it. Again, I know I've said this before, but if this was like a waxing crescent, I would make sure that I shaded this part yellow and this part dark. Go back and go over the moon phases because, as I said in one of the videos last week, some of you guys like got your waxing and waning off on your projects, and I'm not going to take off for that because I wasn't really in class for us to learn it together. But on this, I'm telling you now. Okay, so go back and fix it if you need to. Waxing, if it's a waxing, anything waxing crescent or waxing gibbous, the light or the illuminated part or what you color yellow should be on the right, and the dark part or the shadow should be on the left. If it's waxing and if it's first quarter, you hear that? Waxing or first quarter, you might want to write this down. It should be on the right. Okay, once you're to waning, okay, and I'm not sure where that would be, but I'm just going to pretend here. Once it's waning, okay, then your light, okay, will be on the right, and the dark area is starting to grow on the right. So the darkness is growing, which means the light is waning or fading, and eventually the darkness overtakes it and you get a new moon. So if it's waxing crescent, waxing gibbous, or first quarter moon, the light should be on the right. If it's a waning gibbous, a waning crescent, or third quarter moon, the light should be on the left. Make sure those are correct. They should be correct because if you've been looking at the moon each night, you should be seeing it. Last night was a beautiful crescent moon. I don't know if y'all all saw it. We were out with our neighbors in the yard, and it was just, I was like, it's a crescent moon. So anyway, and you could see the light was on the right. If you're going and looking it up online to catch up, you need to draw it the way it's shown online. Okay. So that is the part that I'm mentioning here that is due in 2.5 weeks. Okay, it is due on the 3rd. You take observations through the 30th, turning on the 1st. Okay, part 2 is at the end of this 3 weeks. Oh, I forgot to change that to 2.5 weeks. Sorry. Answer the question on the Moon Observation Journal and Questions, which is the next document. Okay, I said Ms. Offutt will post a Google document the week before the questions are due. I will post this Thursday on April 30th. There will be a Google Doc with these questions. I'm pointing again, like you can see them, with these questions. Okay, so if you printed this out and you answered it by hand already, that's great. You're just going to be typing in your answers on Thursday into a Google Doc. Okay, again, it's not due till the 1st, but I'm not going to post it till Thursday because y'all have other things you need to do. But you could, if you want to get ahead, you can go ahead and answer them on paper. Okay, very clear. So I will post the Google Doc. It'll be due on the 1st, and it'll be those questions. This part is already done. Woohoo! And look, I did not change this. I promise. This was on the original instructions. You'll create a poster displaying the phase of the moon on the day you were born and a phase of the moon on your birthday in 10 years. I was very clear in the instructions that you only had to post 2 moons. So just saying, don't say I wasn't clear. All of it was right here, but nobody likes to read instructions. So whatever. Just joking. Love you guys. Again, this is due on Friday. What is due on Friday is these questions, which you will type in what? Yes, a Google Doc that Miss Offit is posting when? On Thursday, yes. And what else is due on Friday? This calendar, which you will take a picture of and upload into the assignment that I post on Thursday. Not now, don't post it now. Just hang on to it. It's not done. You got to observe the moon through Thursday night. Okay? So very, very clear. Read all the instructions. Have a parent read over the instructions with you. Okay? If I start seeing lots of questions popping up in the stream or on the Google Classroom, I'm just going to respond. Read the instructions, watch the video. Read the instructions, watch the video. You're going to get sick of hearing me say that. Come on, guys. You can do this. I have faith in you. Look, I'm wearing my Finish Strong shirt. Oops. Wait. Finish Strong this week. You guys can do it. All right. That's all I got. Get your projects done. I look forward to seeing the calendars and seeing the questions, and the pictures were great. I'll eventually get everything graded and back to you. All right. See you later. Bye.